Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Hotel Pippa. It's a 3-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get special pricing. Some of the most popular facilities are free Wi-Fi and a bar. This eco-friendly, smoke-free, boutique hotel is located in the center of Nantucket's historic downtown district. Originally built in 1847, the property has been restored with the original architecture. Rooms at Hotel Pippa feature artwork, bathrobes, and Matouk linens and Davines MoMo bath and skincare products. Children's Beach and the ferry to Cape Cod are both 2,150 feet away. Various restaurants and shops in historic Nantucket are within a 1.2 miles radius from Hotel Pippa. The Nantucket Whaling Museum is 700 feet away. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.